In this video, I'll show you how to secure your WordPress website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can install a plugin. So scroll down on your left sideboard right here, and then you can see in here the option for plugins. Click on this Add New Plugin right here, and then once you have done that, it will show you the plugin marketplace of WordPress instead. So in here, you can see this search bar right here. So click on this and search in here for iThemes. Once you have searched for that, you should be able to see iThemes right here. So they have a lot of things like Exchange and Exchange right here. But what we're looking for is the iTheme security. If you can't find it right here, you can actually head over and then search in here for iTheme security instead. Once you have done that, you should be able to see it right here. So you can see your items right here as well. So in here, let's click on this Malware WordPress security plugin. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So click on this install and activate. And then once you have clicked on this install and activate right here, this will install the plugin onto our actual WordPress. So what you can do is you can click on this manage plugin right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the settings for this particular plugin that you have just installed. So in here, you just need to enter your email address to continue. So I'll head over and then enter in here my email address. Now this will direct us to the dashboard of the malware itself. And now it will head over and then you can see in here our actual site. And in here, our site, you can analyze it. It's actually analyzing it, and you can see in here this bar. Once it's done analyzing, it will show us ozone layer as well as a malware scanner, backup, and all of these things we can see right here on the dashboard. Now, once you have done analyzing your site, it will head over and then put out some features or solutions that can help you make your site secure. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try my best to answer. Thanks.